Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're doing a full breakdown of the American Express Cobalt Card. Whether you're looking to maximize your spending, boost your rewards, or just curious about how this card stacks up, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the American Express Cobalt Card, and what sets it apart? This is a premium rewards card, aimed at those who love dining, travel, and entertainment. It's especially popular in Canada, but its rewards can be valuable no matter how you spend. The Cobalt Card gives you 5x points on food and drinks, which includes everything from restaurants to food delivery services. You also earn 3x points on streaming services and 2x points on travel-related purchases like transit, taxes, and flights. For everything else, you earn 1 point per dollar. But what can you actually do with those points? With Amex's membership rewards, the points are super flexible. You can transfer them to airline and hotel partners, redeem them for travel through the Amex portal, or even use them for statement credits to cover card purchases. Now, let's talk about the fees. The card has a monthly fee of $12.99, which works out to $155.88 per year. While this isn't the lowest fee, it's not as steep as other premium cards. But is it worth it? That depends on how much you use the rewards categories. If you spend a lot on dining or travel, those 5x and 2x multipliers can really add up quickly. What about the drawbacks? The Cobalt Card is definitely geared toward those who can take advantage of its reward structure. If you don't spend much on food, drinks, or travel, you might find it hard to justify the annual fee. Plus, while the points are flexible, the best value often comes from travel redemptions. So if you're not a frequent traveler, the rewards might not feel as rewarding. Some of the standout features also include no foreign transaction fees and access to Amex's front-of-the-line perks, which can give you exclusive access to concerts, events, and special dining experiences. In summary, the American Express Cobalt Card is ideal for people who love to eat out, travel, and stream their favorite content. It offers some of the highest rewards for food and travel, but it's not for everyone. If you fit the profile of someone who can maximize those rewards, this card could be a great addition to your wallet. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.